All right, what number is 4 1/4% of 500? Well, the first thing that I'm going to do here is get rid of this mixed number. Converting between percentages and decimals is a little bit easier than dealing with fractions. So, off to the side, let's just say, well, since 1/4 is the same as 1 divided by 4 would be 0.25, we could rewrite the problem as what number is 4.25% of 500. So this is saying the same thing. I'm going to start with these keywords is and of. And we have to translate this into an equation. And an equation is a mathematical statement with an equal sign. And so that word is, that's our equal sign. Is, when we translate to mathematical notation, becomes equals. And the word of followed by a number, we've seen this many times, that's multiplication. All right, so we have to translate every word and symbol and percentage, and everything needs to become either a number, a variable, or a mathematical symbol. So what number is 4.25% of 500? Well, what number? This is the unknown. Right, we don't know what that number is, so we'll give it a symbol. I'll use X. Right, you can use any symbol you want. X is the most common. A lot of times people would use an N for number. You could use any symbol you want. I'm going to stick with X. So what number is X equals 4.25%? Okay, so we did this conversion off to the side. A percentage is not a number, so we can't put 4.25 into our equation. We have to convert that to a decimal. So 4.25% equals 0.0425. And how do we get that? To go from percent to decimal, we divide by 100. Okay, so what I have here in these little squiggly circles, that's just our side work. Now, the 4.25%, okay, that becomes the number 0.0425. And then 500, so let's put a little arrow here that the words what number became the X. And 500, that's already a number. So that's 500. So now what number is 4.25% of 500 becomes X equals 0.0425 times 500. All right, now this calculation, that's a job for the calculator. So if you plug that into the calculator, we will get X is equal to 21.25, and that's our final answer.